Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Libra air sign for the month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. This is monthly reading. So let's see Libra, your recent past. Ten of Cups, Ace of Cups, lot of water energy, the Moon, Spices. Your person could be Spices, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely in past some issues are there but are already resolved, those issues, because you both already unite or you both want this Ten of Cups in this relationship because you both love each other. Ace of Cups, love overflown. Definitely you both already reconciled. Those who are not, it is going to be happen. So Virgo, your feelings towards you, sorry Libra, your feelings towards your person. Libra, your feelings towards your person. Knight of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Four of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Fire energy is also there. So let's see your person feelings towards you, Libra. Ten of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. Possibilities, Two of Wands, Adventure, Page of Pentacles. Your feelings towards them, you want to rush towards them and you want to work on this relationship seriously. I think you attracted towards your person a lot because lot of passion is there between both of you and you are not expressing your feelings completely to your person. So that's the issue. So you have to express your feelings to your person, and your person feelings towards you is very positive because they want stability with this connection. And Ace of Pentacles, they want long-term commitment with you, and Page of Pentacles and Two of Wands, they are thinking about you a lot, and this could be long distance relationship also. So let's see mutual energy. There are no issues, I am waiting here. Courageous, this connection has very strong bond between both of you. Going with the flow. Ace of Cups 2 times, lot of love between both of you. So let's pull some more cards from universe. Intensity, Knight of Wands 2 times. You both are in same page. Ten of Wands, Three of Wands. Waiting. This could be long distance relationship. You both are waiting for each other to meet. Ace of Pentacles 2 times. Very strong connection. The Tower and the final card from universe. Six of Pentacles. Yes, it is very powerful connection between both of you. And Three of Wands. One person, you both are waiting for each other, and as your person, you are not expressing your feelings to your person. Definitely you are going to be expressed in near future. So lot of love. This connection is going to be next level, there is no doubt. But our moment is here. And Ten of Wands, I think your person feeling very burdened due to their responsibilities I am getting. So in that time you have to be patient. So you have to be cooperate with your person because the Tower and Ten of Wands, they are feeling very burdened. They are thinking that they are making actions only, or you are not taking any actions, that type. They are feeling very burdened. They are taking hold this connection, but I think there is no equal give and take in this, but it is coming because you also want to take equal responsibility in this connection. So this is very strong connection, and and near future there will be equal and give and take in this connection. And because Ace of Cups 2 times, love overflow between both of you and waiting. Now this could be long distance relationship. Yes, you both are in same page, mostly because Knight of Wands, lot of passion. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.